After part 1, one comment completely changed this comparison. Were both using the same thinking level? That's a fair question. In part 1, both tools were already using Claude Sonnet 4.6 with thinking enabled. The difference was that Claude Desktop was using its default low effort setting. So for part 2, I switched Claude Desktop to high effort while keeping thinking enabled. I'm not rerunning the previous comparison. These are completely new developer challenges. The first challenge is understanding the Playwright MFA repository. Here's the prompt. Analyze this repository. Explain the overall architecture, folder structure, authentication flow, where the business logic lives. So both the results are out. If you see, Claude Desktop gave a visual representation of the overall architecture of our project. Meanwhile, Antigravity actually explained the entire project as per the 4 pointers that we had given it. Overall architecture, folder structure, and where the business logic lives. Both understood the project, but given the in-depth analysis that Antigravity has actually done, I'll give this round to Antigravity. The next round is adding a test case. Here's the prompt. Based on your understanding of this repository from the previous task, identify the single most valuable missing Playwright test. Explain in 3 to 5 bullet points why the scenario is important. Then implement the test following the existing project structure, coding style, and best practices. Do not modify existing tests unless absolute necessary. Claude Desktop focused on session expiry. Antigravity focused on protected route verification. Different ideas, but honestly, both solve an important authentication problem. So I am calling this test selection a tie. Then I reviewed the generated tests. Claude Desktop built a reusable session canary. Instead of testing one page, it verifies whether the stored authentication is still valid before the rest of the suite even starts. Antigravity generated a good protected route test. But Claude Desktop solution is something I'd keep in the framework long term. So the winner of test case quality is Claude Desktop. Next, I gave both a Flaky Playwright test. Here's the prompt. The following Playwright test is flaky. Explain why it is flaky. Fix the flakiness while keeping the original intent of the test. Briefly explain why your solution is more reliable. Do not refactor unrelated code or change the test objective. Keep the solution minimal. Both have fixed the obvious flaky timing issues, but Claude Desktop added one more reliability improvement. It waits until the download button becomes enabled before clicking. That reduces another possible race condition. So given the code quality of the flaky test fix, Claude Desktop is the winner here. For the final challenge, I created a pull request in the same repository. Here goes the prompt. Review the pull request, identify bugs, code smells, or maintainability issues. Prioritize them from highest to lowest impact. Explain why each issue matters. Suggest concise improvements. Keep the review focused and actionable. One thing I really liked, Antigravity found the pull request directly using GitHub. Claude Desktop couldn't access it through the interface. Instead, it suggested fetching the PR using the GitHub API. Once both reviewed the same code, Claude Desktop produced a stronger engineering review. Antigravity found the important issues as well, but Claude Desktop's review was more structured and actionable. So here's the winner of the final round, Claude Desktop. What surprised me the most was who wasn't one, but how the tools with the same underlying AI model behaved differently. Antigravity stood out when it came to understanding projects and seamlessly working with GitHub. Claude Desktop consistently produced stronger engineering output once it started writing, improving, and rewriting the Playwright code.
Make sure to subscribe to JKC Tutorials and comment below which tools will you use next. See you in the next video.